Imagine transforming a simple pantry ingredient into the secret weapon for creating mouth-watering, caramelized pork carnitas. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? The magic lies in an unexpected twist that could revolutionize your taco nights forever. But here's where it gets controversial. What if sweetened condensed milk held the key to unlocking next-level flavor and texture? Let's dive into this culinary hack that balances tradition with innovation. Carnitas, a cherished Mexican dish, are all about turning humble cuts of pork into crispy, golden perfection. Traditionally, recipes call for ingredients like orange juice, lard, and aromatic spices to create a harmonious blend of sweet, savory, and spicy notes. However, there's a lesser-known trick that can elevate this dish even further, one that might already be sitting in your pantry. To uncover this gem, we sought advice from Yvette Marquez-Sharpnack, a celebrated Mexican food blogger at Muy Bueno, https://muybuenoblog.com, and author of several cookbooks, including her latest release, Muy Bueno Fiestas. Marquez-Sharpnack reveals that sweetened condensed milk is her secret weapon. It adds just the right amount of sweetness to balance bold flavors such as chipotle, citrus, and garlic, she explains enthusiastically. Not only does it enhance taste, but it also helps the pork achieve that irresistible caramelization as it crisps up during cooking. This technique, which she credits to chef Patty Jinich, isn't traditional, but don't let that stop you. As Marquez-Sharpnack points out, over time, cooks have always experimented with new ingredients to bring out deeper flavors. In her tacos de carnitas recipe, just a couple of tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk make a world of difference. Now, using sweetened condensed milk might sound unconventional at first glance. It certainly isn't something you'd typically associate with savory dishes. Yet, its versatility extends far beyond desserts. For instance, did you know you can whip up homemade sweetened condensed milk easily if you don't have a store-bought can handy? This pantry staple truly shines when incorporated into savory recipes like carnitas. Speaking of creativity, sweetened condensed milk isn't the only way to introduce sweetness to carnitas. Marquez-Sharpnack shares insights into other variations she's encountered. I've seen chefs like Marcela Valladolid use Mexican Coca-Cola, while I opted for dark brown sugar or ground piloncillo in my latest cookbook. Each option brings its own unique depth and richness to the dish. Sweetened condensed milk, however, stands out as a particularly innovative choice because it complements the dish without overshadowing its core essence. So how do you incorporate this unexpected ingredient into your carnitas? According to Marquez-Sharpnack, timing is everything. I add the sweetened condensed milk during the braising stage, along with orange juice, chipotle peppers, and spices. As the pork simmers, it absorbs these flavors, and the natural sugars in the condensed milk help it develop a beautiful caramelized crust when finished off under high heat. The science behind this process is fascinating. Sweetened condensed milk contains both sugar and milk solids, both of which undergo the Maillard reaction, a chemical process responsible for browning and developing complex flavors when exposed to heat. While it beautifully enhances the natural sugars found in ingredients like citrus and onions, let's not forget one fun fact. Many people enjoy eating sweetened condensed milk straight from the can. Yes, it's that irresistibly creamy and indulgent. To take your carnitas to the next level, consider pairing sweetened condensed milk with complementary ingredients. Marquez-Sharpnack recommends adding citrus juices like orange or lime to cut through the richness. Smoky chipotle peppers, garlic, onion, and warm spices such as cinnamon or bay leaves round out the profile nicely, she advises. The goal is balance. You want the sweetness to subtly enhance the savory and smoky elements without overpowering them. This approach raises an interesting question. Should modern twists on classic dishes be embraced or preserved in their original form? Is it possible to honor tradition while still innovating? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think sweetened condensed milk belongs in carnitas? Or does it stray too far from authenticity? Share your opinions in the comments below and join the conversation.